I'm Nick Grove for Morningstar.com.au, and I'm joined by Frank Villante. Frank, you have a tried and tested investment process that dates back over a quarter of a century. How has the market changed over that time, or do you still look for the same qualities in an investment back then that you do now?
I think the market is constantly changing, it's dynamic, it's fluid, but the traits and characteristics of good quality businesses, the traits and the attributes that you've got to look for historically and that you've got to look today are exactly the same. Good quality businesses, the right accounting, the right business model, the right people, the right partners, and valuation has to be right, and that doesn't really change.
And Frank, where are you seeing just a couple of opportunities and a bit of value at the moment?
We look at some areas of the market where the market's probably a bit nervous and hesitant about at the moment. There's quite a bit happening in the housing sector. People are nervous about housing market. That's creating some interesting opportunities in the residential property area. A company like Sunland Group, it's creating some interesting opportunities in the context of a company like Reece Australia, which distributes plumbing supplies. Both of those businesses are quite interesting. Retail sector, people are fairly nervous about. There's a business called Specialty Fashion House, which we think is priced almost for a point of insolvency. There's a couple of listed IVF companies that we think valuations are actually pretty compelling. We can still find value out there within the opportunity set.
Frank, thanks very much for your time today.
You're welcome.